morning and welcome back to yet another vlog. We got up this morning and right now are again heading to South Gippsland. This region of Victoria has mesmerized me always. But now this would be the opportunity to see some like-minded Victorians, Australians. So far we have been camping solo down here and yeah, given the weather, it's only in summer that you'll find more people outside. They take the annual leaves. This is as well the time when the Christmas holidays are there. But this is a starting peak period. So this weekend we are joining a group. The location is going to be White Woman Waterhole. You're right. We have been there maybe last year sometime, but that was in winter. And now this is going to be summer. So let's find out how the White Women Waterhole is in summers. How many new friends do we make? How many new overlanders do we meet? Whatever new setups do we see? And definitely enjoy. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. And we want to bring you the South Gippsland in summers. See you there. One of the three major pillars of Australian economy is mining, and we are at the moment passing by one of the Victorian's major power stations, that's at Traralgon, and this particular power station as well has an adjacent coal mine, and yeah, just look at the scale. The natural cooling towers and the massive conveyor belt systems and the coal mine, incredible. The best part that I liked is where there is mining not taking place, where there is no mine, or where the mining has already been concluded. They would convert that into some kind of usable or ecologically conservative milestone. So like planting some trees or backfilling the quarry again and so on. So yeah, stay tuned. We are reaching the White Woman Waterhole campground, and it's quite a big campground by its size. I'm thinking of making a round to check which one of the groups belongs to us or to which we belong, because surprisingly this big campground is full. My guess, there would be at least about 30 odd vehicles right now here, and the biggest group seems to be of at least about 18 to 20 vehicles. 18 to 20 vehicles. And that's my guess that that might be the Victorian camping group. Let me check with someone who is easily approachable, and then we find our group, our herd. So we belong. Let's find out. Yes, a round trip around the campground, and my guess is true. Shen's guarding there. he confirms that this is the group, this is where we set up a camp, and soon we get acquainting the fellow campers, the fellow Overlanders, and we find more about the organizers, the group, and yes, definitely set up the camp.
And then to Port Albert.
Okay. To have a feel or to have a feel? It's only me and Nishad on this camp. She's got some homework to do, and Mira's working. So we're just into the camp, setting up a few things, and we have already got visitors, and we have been called into a camp meetup area that's set up by a campfire in the day picnic area, and that feels so wholesome. The weekend camp is on. I can already see, I don't know, maybe 20 people around there. This is going to be a huge gathering. Fingers crossed, and letting the vibe set in. Stay tuned. We joined the core with our chairs, a little bit of acquainting, a few names, and few introductions. I as well take this time playing a bit of footy with Nishad, and that's when our some of new friends start showing up in the Halloween cosplay and casting spells on all the bad lucks, bad omens. And yeah, that's when I realized that the theme for the camp is Halloween. To be honest, I wasn't very sure that the candles are celebrated with certain central theme, but yeah, this is the first time that I'm part of Halloween celebrations as well for Nish, and I think so, we're on for good. Anisha has got a lot of lollies for the Halloween, and let's look at him. And these are the chocolates. Simply too many chocolates. Can't control his screen. Eat. After spending a bit of time making new friends there, I've returned back to our camp, set up a small campfire of our own, and Nish is having a few marshmallows there. By the time I cook the dinner, this is quite unlike the natural practice or the common practice that we would have a dinner at. This is early. It's just 6:30 or 6 o'clock maybe, and we are having an early dinner because the evening is going to turn into night, and maybe it's gonna be just longer than midnight. Prepping for that. For now, early dinner. Stay tuned.
Soon after the dinner, we have joined the core back again, and what started as a quiet camp evening among few new faces has quickly turned into something really unforgettable. The chatter grew louder, the drinks are flowing freer, and the music in the background, its rhythm with every passing hour. The campfire burned brighter, like a Diwali flame, glowing stronger with each story shared and every laugh that's echoing around here. This will go as one of the most cherished nights, with dance, the bush TV, drinks, and music, none of which is complete without friends. Good lazy Monday, I'm sorry, Sunday morning, and the vibe from yesterday night still hangs over for good. As I'm walking out of the tent, a few of the friends have already moved on to their destinations, maybe on the road already, and others are packing.
Ah, that's good.
We have started packing as well, but we are going to linger around having a quick brunch, coffee, and a little more chatter before we pack and actually move. A few more laughters, a few more coffees, and a few more lollies after we are actually leaving. This camp has been extremely wonderful. It feels so good to be connected with the group. Thanks to the organizers, thanks to Johan, thanks to Chris, thanks to Jackie, and one and all. But yeah, this is the time, these are the moments, and these are the memories that we make together that's gonna stay with us. This is our first group camp down under in Australia. And to all my subscribers, if you like the vibe, the time, and the gathering, please do like and subscribe. As well, there is a new feature on YouTube, which is the hype button. So bless us with the hype button and do watch our other videos. And don't forget to go camping. See you on our newest adventures down under in Australia. The summer is going to be long, and we are going to go on multiple camps. And see you there. God bless. Take care. Bye.